I'm Amit Brahmane, cricket coach of Thanekar International School. This season, we are witnessing an amazing season of TI Shaurya Cricket League, filled with passion, teamwork, and great performance by our players. All of our houses, Garuda, Nandi Parvani, Airavat, are playing with true Shaurya spirit. We have shown a powerful batting performance by Aditya Kumar, Ayan Sharma, Daksh Londe, Srinath Khemna, Rachit Patnaik, and game-changing bowling performance by Sarthak Kale, Arav Gaikwad, Vidit Rokade, Rachit Patnaik, Viransh Kond, and also some good fielding by Navneet Jairam and Daksh Duri. This time, I think it will be very difficult for our defending champions Airavat to defend the championship against other teams.
Namaste all. I am Coach Atharva. Currently, we are in the selection phase of our annual sports meet, Shaurya 2025. Basically, Shaurya 2025 is the biggest sports festival happening here in Badlapur, with various sports like skating, karate, swimming, cricket, football, and athletics. So currently, we have completed with the quarterfinals and semi-finals of all the skating championships. Basically, we have very good number of skaters who play competitive matches regularly, such as Soumya, Arav, and Arunesh. But much appreciation to the new skaters who have performed unexpectedly very good, such as Shlok, Spruha, Shlok. These skaters were not been expected to perform so good since they are in the finals to be played on 13th of December. So we as a coaches are just not only focusing on winning, but also we are focusing on discipline, teamwork, and character building. We are very much impressed by the dedication seen during the league matches from the students. ऐसा गेम प्ले ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस तो आपने बस स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर में ही देखा रहेगा. Here we are witnessing it in TIS.
I'm Vaibhav and swimming coach at TIS Group. Think all the house are performs the equally well, but if you ask me for one name, I think Airavat is leading a little. Technically speaking, senior grade swimmer are doing good, as then they have good sense of swimming and maturity. There is the usual and perfectly dive, perfectly timing, perfectly style.
Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Chavan and I am honored to serve as a karate coach at TIS. So as we all know that we are on the road to TIS Shaurya. So selection process are going on and all students are participating in the karate as it is a compulsory sport. So till now we have done with 5 classes of selections. Okay, so we are at the mid of our TIS Shaurya, road to TIS Shaurya. Now we have conducted selection for second standard till now, second standard, third standard and fourth standard. Now selections of 5th and 6th are remaining, in which we are selecting each student from each house. For example, Garuda, one boy, one girl will be selected. Airavat, one boy, one girl will be selected. Parvani, one boy, one girl will be selected, and for another house also same. So from after their selection process, they will compete with another houses. For example, I'll tell you, if 6th and 7th is a one category, Airavat house girl and Parvani house girl, they can compete together in the finals if they get selected for the finals. So it is an open competition, it is a tough competition as the sport is compulsory to everyone. So we have a very tough competition in our school, and my best friends, I can say that two are one boy Shaurya Chand and one girl is Ekansha Vagambare. These two students were finalists for last year Shaurya also in karate, and they are finalists for this year also. So I hope they will win this year too.
This is Suresh Raju, football coach at Thanekar International School. TIS Shaurya Football League is all about passion and teamwork. जैसे कि आपको पता है, यहाँ पे 4 हाउसेस है, एरावत, नंदी, परवानी एंड गरुड़ा. फुटबॉल में हम लोग पॉइंट्स के हिसाब से पॉइंट टेबल बनाया जाता है. अगर विन हुआ तो 3 पॉइंट्स, ड्रॉ हुआ तो 1 पॉइंट और लूज हुआ तो 0 पॉइंट. Garuda is on top with 6 points with incredible 11 goals. I also want to confirm some of the players like Ishan Shaukar, the striker from Airavat. He has scored the most goals. Best goalkeeper Govind Mishra from Parwani and best defender Bose from Parwani. Shaurya is not just a tournament, it's becoming a learning journey for all our young athletes.
We are a team. We just not train.
We empower lifestyles.